How to access analytics in Paramount Plus. So the way you can access analytics in Paramount Plus depends on whether you are an advertiser or viewer curious about your own data, users, or looking for business level performance data. Now, if you are an advertiser, if you run ads on platform, you can access real-time metrics through the Paramount Plus Ad Manager. Simply log into your account at the Paramount Plus Ad Manager dashboard. You could then go to navigate to performance and creative section. And there you can track audience targeting, budget pacing, delivery status, and key performance as well. As for individual subscriber, do not have a dedicated analytics tab, but you can track your activity and uses through these settings as well. In order to see how much data the app is consuming, you could check your device settings. And to see which device is actually using your account, you could log into your Paramount Plus to go to your account. And while there isn't a detailed analytic report for your viewing habit, you could see your recently watched content in your Keep Watching tree on the home screen as well. And that is how you could access analytics in Paramount Plus. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.